Alright, here are some ways of how you can get a StockX discount code. The first method will be signing up for their newsletter. You want to visit the website or app, scroll to the bottom of the homepage or access your account settings and sign up for their newsletter. Subscribers often receive exclusive promotions, discount codes, and early access to sales. Seasonal sales and promotions, you want to keep an eye out for things such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or holiday sales. Referral program, StockX may offer a referral program where you can share a referral link with your friends or family. Both the referrer and the new customer could receive a discount code after a successful referral. You can also follow them on social media such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. They may release some discount codes there. Promo codes website that comes into play for any third-party discount or promo code websites such as Honey, Slick Deals, so on and so forth. Student discounts, StockX sometimes partners with platforms like Student Beans to offer a discount to students. App exclusive deals. You want to download the StockX mobile app and check for app exclusive promotions or discounts. These are sometimes offered to users who place their first order via the app or during special promotions. I hope this gives you some ideas. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.